Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking a legally safe route: license sync, Creative Commons, or a cleared cover. Search for the song's rights holder and confirm whether Instagram claims apply. Once you identify the owner, request permission or buy a license. Many Indian labels sell short-use social licenses. If you prefer speed, choose an approved cover or royalty-free Bollywood-style track. Make sure to document permissions in writing and keep receipts, because Instagram disputes need proof, and you'll want fast verification if a claim appears. Next, secure the actual rights or prepare a compliant cover. When negotiating, specify Instagram use, length, territory, and whether stories or reels are included. If you record a cover, obtain mechanical rights and a sync license where required. Some rights are handled by labels, others by publishers. Pay the fee and ask for a short license statement you can show to Instagram. Once done, embed the license info in your file records and note expiration dates so you don't reuse rights beyond the allowed term. Finally, upload the video and add on-screen and caption credits, artist, rights holder, and license ID or invoice number. If Instagram flags or mutes your post, immediately use the appeal flow and attach the written license or receipt. Make sure timestamps and usage terms match the claim period. Mismatches cause denials. If you don't win the dispute, replace audio with your licensed alternative or a royalty-free track. Troubleshooting tip: keep the original correspondence and payment proof ready to speed up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.